Most people don't fail with money because they don't earn enough. They fail because they don't have a plan. You can budget perfectly. You can invest regularly. You can even protect your money. But without financial planning, all of this stays disconnected. In this video, I'll show you what financial planning really is, why it matters, when you need it, and how to build a simple plan that actually works in real life. What is financial planning? Financial planning is the process of deciding in advance what your money should do for your life. It's not just about saving or investing. It's about aligning your money with your goals. Financial planning answers questions like, how much should I save? How much can I spend without guilt? When can I invest? Am I protected if something goes wrong? Will I be okay in the future? Budgeting tells money where to go. Investing tells money how to grow. Financial planning tells money why it exists. Why financial planning matters. Without a financial plan, money decisions feel stressful. You hesitate before spending. You invest randomly. You panic during emergencies. You feel behind in life. But with a plan, spending feels intentional. Saving feels automatic. Investing feels confident. Life feels calmer. A financial plan doesn't make you rich overnight, it makes your future predictable. When do you need financial planning? Here's the truth. Financial planning isn't just for wealthy people. You need it when you start earning. Your income increases. You get married. You have kids. You take loans. You start investing. You feel financially confused. If money affects your life, you need a plan. The 6 core elements of financial planning. Let's break financial planning into simple building blocks. 1. Goal planning. Goals can be short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals. For examples, emergency fund, travel, buying a home, retirement, financial freedom. Money without goals leaks. Money with goals grows. 2. Budget planning. Budgeting is the foundation of any financial plan. Know your income. Control expenses. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Create surplus. No surplus, no plan. 3. Savings planning. Saving is not what's left after spending. It's what's set aside before spending. Emergency fund. Short-term goals. Buffer for life. 4. Investment planning. Investing is how your future self gets paid. Start early. Invest regularly. Match investments to goals. Think long-term. Investing without planning is gambling. 5. Protection planning. One emergency can destroy years of progress. Health insurance. Term insurance. Emergency fund. Digital security. Protection keeps your plan alive. 6. Review and adjustment. Life changes. Your plan should too. Salary changes. Goals change. Family changes. Review your plan at least once a year. Subscribe to FinSmartly. How to set financial goals the smart way. Before we jump into a real-life example, there's one powerful rule you need to understand that is SMART goals. Most people say things like, I want to save more. I want to invest. I want to be rich. But those aren't goals, they're wishes. What are SMART goals? SMART is a simple formula that turns vague money dreams into achievable plans. S means specific. Instead of, I want to save money, say, I want to save $10,000 for emergencies. M for measurable. You should be able to track it. Say, I will save $10,000 by saving $835 every month for 12 months. A is achievable. Your goal must match your income. Saving $800 per month on a $5,000 salary is realistic. Saving $3,000 per month is not. R means relevant. The goal must matter to your life. Emergency fund before luxury travel. Insurance before risky investments. T for time-bound. Every goal needs a deadline. 12 months, 3 years, 25 years. Deadlines create urgency and focus. Money goals without timelines don't move. Deadlines turn dreams into decisions. Now let's see how SMART goals work in real life, with a simple monthly income example and a clear financial plan. Practical example. Let's take a real-life example. Alex earns $5,000 per month. Expenses: $2,800. Savings: $700. Investments: $1,000. Insurance and protection covered. Goals: emergency fund in 12 months. House down payment in 5 years. Retirement in 25 years. Because Alex planned ahead, money feels organized, not stressful. Same income, different outcome. That's financial planning. Common financial planning mistakes. Mistakes most people make. No clear goals. Investing randomly. Ignoring insurance. No emergency fund. Never reviewing the plan. Financial planning is not about being perfect, it's about being prepared. How to start financial planning today. Here's how you start, simple and realistic. 1. Track income and expenses. 2. Set 3 clear goals. 3. Build emergency fund. 4. Get basic insurance. 5. Start investing. 6. Review yearly. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a starting plan. Financial planning is not about money, it's about peace of mind. When you plan your money, you stop fearing the future and start building it. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you understand personal financial planning better, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And share this video with someone who's earning but still feels lost with money. Hey, before you go, your financial journey doesn't stop here. Click on any of the videos on your screen to continue mastering personal finance. Each one will help you build the next step of your financial foundation. See you there.